Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of November, 2024, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.63. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, reflecting a loss of 1.15% to date. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.29% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The trend over the past 3 months hints at a potential change of approximately 14.52% in the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 9.45% to 23.30%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 57.78% over the next year, with possible returns between 41.13% and 67.38%. This suggests a price range of approximately $825.37 to $978.85 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Tuesday trading session. The Meta stock price gained 0.283% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, rising from $583.17 to over $584.82. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.31%, with a low of $580.44 and a high of $599.66. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 1.43% during this period. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 6 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 16 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $9.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $602.95, while the lowest price was $313.66. Currently, the price sits 3.01%, or $18.13, below the 52-week high of $602.95, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Meta is currently navigating a complex landscape with multiple significant developments impacting its operations and stock valuation. The company is resisting the Federal Trade Commission's plan to modify a 2020 privacy settlement, asserting that any changes must come from a federal court. This stance might signal to investors that Meta is committed to protecting its current legal frameworks, potentially stabilizing its regulatory environment in the short term. Simultaneously, a California judge's ruling to lift the confidentiality on Meta's employee arbitration results could expose the company to further scrutiny regarding its workplace practices. Such transparency might yield reputational risks that could affect investor sentiment. In Europe, Meta has slashed subscription fees for ad-free versions of Facebook and Instagram by 40% to comply with local regulations, while also giving users the option for less personalized ads if they choose to opt out of subscriptions. This strategic pricing move aims to align with regulatory demands, but it may also compress revenues from premium services in the short term. A notable highlight for Meta is the acquisition of a $1 billion stake by activist investor ValueAct. This investment suggests confidence in Meta's future, especially in its advancements in artificial intelligence, and could lead to increased pressure for strategic reforms or initiatives that could enhance shareholder value. Overall, while these factors present immediate challenges, they also open pathways for potential growth and change that could drive Meta's long-term stock performance. Investors should watch closely as these narratives unfold. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive rating along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, UBS provided Meta with a buy rating, also recommending a hold. Additionally, on Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, Scotiabank rated Meta as sector perform with a hold action. Furthermore, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Meta an overweight rating, while also maintaining a hold recommendation. Lastly, JMP Securities rated Meta as outperform, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Meta stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected from the levels at $579.16 and $579.05. A fall below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The rising volume accompanying the price increase is also regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have emerged that may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, October 4th, 2024, with the stock having declined by 1.87% so far. Continued decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 28 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, recorded 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, observed 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, noted 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal, observed 64 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $576.47. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $19.22 between its high and low, representing a movement of 3.31%. Throughout the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 2.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered fairly normal, typically seen in companies with long histories or stable revenues. In other news, The upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 6th of February, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are set at $6.75. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's explore some potential day trading levels for Meta. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Meta is at $591.61. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already in possession of the stock, this may serve as a point to contemplate swing trading. On the downside, Meta faces its first support level at $576.47. If this support level remains intact, it could present an excellent opportunity for entry, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of November, 2024, Newstead Jennifer executed an insider sale of 901 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of November, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 141,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the 1st of November, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark also carried out an insider purchase of 141,000 shares of Class A common stock. Again, on the 1st of November 2024, Zuckerberg Mark made another insider purchase of 141,000 shares of Class A common stock. Lastly, on the 1st of November 2024, Zuckerberg Mark executed an insider sale of 141,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.391. In total, insiders purchased 304,988 shares and sold 426,069 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $561.07, representing a decline of 4.06%. This stock exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which indicates a minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 27 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, alongside a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Meta stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 13th of November, we expect Meta to open at $3.49 and begin trading at $588.31. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.